this cold December day.
Good morning!
Guys, you want to see a build walk over here to
What?
And this is our fort. Yeah.
You're building forts?
Look inside of it. It gets bigger and bigger every time. Yeah, come in it.
Holy.
And over here, you could go over here because it's big.
That is awesome. Mom hit her head. You see their fort?
Like this rock.
And Coda and Cars have a fort over here? Hello.
Hello.
How are you guys?
Good.
Good. Well, good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. We woke up to something a little crazy. I actually was up and at the gym before this happened, but you guys, look at our yard. It is June 8th and we have snow on the ground. It's been a blizzard for a couple hours this morning. So, instead of chalking the driveway, we're going swimming. We're going to get snow cones. Today, we decided we're gonna let the kiddos build some forts and just have an awesome day inside. Woo!
Mom, look at me making up in superheroes.
Ninja.
Yeah. Adri and Superman. Adri, I am Superman.
What? That's awesome, bud. Oh, are you a Black Panther?
Yeah.
Cool. Hi. Are you playing?
Mom, please.
Please? What do you want? Hello. Okay, you guys, I just got all of the housework done. Dishes washed, I got the floors all swept and vacuumed, and the kids are still playing in their forts they built. They have actually combined and made one giant fort, and that is where they have spent a majority of the morning and afternoon. I have loved it because they've been playing so well together, and it's so fun to see your kids being creative. But I keep feeling like I'm losing hours out of the day, and I don't know where they're going. What the heck?
What? Someone sparks cookies!
Cody's home, you guys, and we just had someone knock on the front door. It looks like it's from Steve, Shelb, and Leo.
Oh,
Brighten our snowy
boy.
day.
We got chocolate chip cookies!
Oh my gosh. Thank you, Steve and Shelb. I'm gonna eat this whole
We
plate.
may or may not tell the kids.
Don't tell the kids. We're kidding. Kind of, a little bit.
We're gonna eat a few first.
Thank you guys so much. We love you.
Thank you.
Seriously, this is the sweetest thing. It's snowy.
So nice.
It's freezing cold. All of you know it's no secret that things are kind of extremely heavy in the world. This is so sweet. We love you guys. Thank you.
Oh shoot, guys. Look what Shelby and Steve brought us.
Thank you, Shelby, for having this big one. Thank you, guys.
So nice, guys.
So awesome of them. Okay, see ya. Rest your minds.
So now that these delicious chocolate chip cookies are almost gone, I'm gonna show you guys our setup for our live. So we have this tripod with my phone, and Cody and I are gonna sit on those two stools right there
Like so.
for our YouTube live.
Hello.
Looking good, babe. Looking real good. And a question we get a lot when we do lives is, where are the kids? Now, our kids are in a lot of our lives, but they are not in every single one of them. You guys, it gets crazy. They're all still very young. They like to talk at the same time, and then you can't hear what anyone's saying. So that's one of the reasons. Also, another one is sometimes they just get bored, and we're never gonna make them be on camera if they don't want to be. So
They're having fun.
yeah, so they're set up in the playroom with toys and now a chocolate chip cookie, and we are going to go live, and I'm super excited. We're gonna play a game, and I don't know what else.
You're out of breath.
I'm out of breath. You guys, today has been like a good day, but a weird day. It's been all the things.
It's Jed.
My family to live by. He loves you.
We love you.
My baby. My dad. My son.
playing some family games tonight because it's family night.
And
That's what
it's
we're
cold
doing.
outside.
And it's cold. So Kars, you gotta spin in a circle 5 times, close your eyes, and try to tag us all.
You have to stay in the living room.
Have to stay on the carpet in the living room.
Okay, got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Dang it! No opening your eyes. There's a chair there, Kars. Pretty impressive navigating. Oh, we got you. Canyon won. Yeah, you went straight for me. You won, Canyon.
Okay, you spun enough. Stop spinning. Keep your eyes closed. Honey, careful, careful, careful. You're freaky. Just eyes wide open. Not even trying to pretend.
It's all right.
Who's in there? Hi.
He got me. But when she come here, I saw her open her eyes the whole time when she was in.
Yeah, she did that the whole time. He thought that was so funny.
You got everyone. Good job.
this when my head bonked. I know.
Oh, ouch. Are you okay? I'm sorry, bud.
Hide and seek.
No more Mountain Dew. I'm gonna make you an ice water right now. Coda and I came outside because we could see a beautiful sunset out the window. It is so beautiful out here, you guys, but how cold is it? We're freezing. You guys, when I leave our house tomorrow morning to head to the gym and cheer practice, it will be 20 degrees. 20 degrees Fahrenheit in June. Oh, but look how gorgeous the sky is. You guys, there is so much goodness and beauty everywhere, every day. I promise, just look and you will see it.
Well, guys. Dropped a rag. Well, we're gonna call it a night. We're tired. We love you guys.
We love you so much. Please subscribe if you're not. Please have an awesome week. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.